Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very important homeopathic medicine, that is the Magnesium Mule. Magnesium Mule is a very important homeopathic medicine. It has excellent action on our GI, especially on liver and on our intestine. So if you have the problem of constipation, or if you have the problem of diarrhea, or if you have the constipation alternate diarrhea, or if you have fatty liver, your liver is so weak, your digestion is poor, or if you have the milk intolerance, then this video is going to be very useful for you, because today I will tell you a very important homeopathic medicine for these types of symptoms. In this video, I will tell you about the indication of the magnesium mute, its doses, its symptoms, and how can we take this medicine for the better result. So video is very informative. Pause till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my coming video. Let's talk about the homeopathic medicine Magnesium Mute. Magnesium Mute is a very important homeopathic medicine. This medicine belongs to the element kingdom. That is, medicine is prepared from the magnesium. So it has a specific action on our GIT, especially on our small intestine, large intestine, and on liver. This medicine has the specific peculiar symptoms. This medicine can help you a lot in the cases of milk intolerance. The patient has milk intolerance in any form of milk, like after drinking milk, the patient develops the constipation, or patient develops the diarrhea, or the patients have the protein or indigestion like condition. Let's talk about what are the indication of the medicine. This medicine has a specific action on our GIT, on our liver, on our stomach, on our intestine. Let's talk about one by one. The first important peculiar symptoms of the magnesium mute, that is, it is a very important homeopathic medicine the which have the intestine related problem, like if you have the irritable bowel syndrome, or if you have the problem of constipation, or if you have the problem of diarrhea, or if you have the problem of diarrhea alternate constipation. In this condition, you can use this magnesium mute. The constipation of the magnesium mule indicates that the stool is a very hard, and the stool is are in the form of small balls like the sheep dung, black colored, and it is expelled by very difficulty, and while passing the stool, patient feels very painful stool. After taking the magnesium mule, it can improve your intestine motility, because due to the sluggish movement of our intestine, the constipation, agar when the movement of the intestine fast too much, then it can cause the diarrhea. So if you have the constipation like this, like if you have the constipation that the stool is very hard in the form of ball like stool, or sheep dung like stool, in this condition you can use this homeopathic medicine. And if you get the constipation after drinking milk, if you have the milk intolerance, or if you have the indigestion, if you have the bloating, or if you have the acidity like symptoms, in this condition you can use the magnesium mule. And also it is a very useful homeopathic medicine for the children's also, those children who develops constipation after drinking milk, or those children who have the symptoms like indigestion, bloating, acidity, or pain in abdomen and constipation. Those children can use this medicine. And also those childrens or adults who develop the diarrhea after drinking milk, in this condition you can use the magnesium mule. Patient of the magnesium mule, that is, the patient have the history of mouth ulcer due to the indigestion or due to the acidity. The patient develops the mouth ulcer, frequent mouth ulcer. The patient who have the history of frequent mouth ulcer, in this condition you can use the magnesium mule. And also the patient who have the bad breath, history of pyorrhea or bleeding through the mouth, in this condition you can use the magnesium mule. And the next indication of the magnesium mule is that it is a very important homeopathic medicine for the liver affection, every type of liver affection. Like if you have the hepatomegaly, your liver size is enlarged, if you have the constant pain at your right hypochondriac region, and also if you feel nausea, vomiting, and you have the tenderness on your stomach, your digestion is poor, in this condition you can use the magnesium mule. And the next indication is that if you have the problem of fatty liver grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3, in this condition you can use this homeopathic medicine magnesium mule. Magnesium mule can cure your fatty liver as well as. And also the next indication of the magnesium use, that is a very important homeopathic medicine for the females. Also the females develop the symptoms like those females who have the uterine disturbance, like they have ovarian cyst, or they have uterine fibroid, or also those females who have the history of the constipation, who have the history of the hard stool, the stool is like the sheep tongue, and females who have the tendency of the uterine disturbance like uterine fibroid, ovarian cyst like condition. In this condition, these female can use this magnesium mule. And also the next indication of the magnesium use, that there is a severe intense attack. After drinking well, the patient develops the acidity and the bloating in the abdomen, and the patient develops the gastric headache. The headache is a very intense, very bursting types of headache. In this condition, you can use the magnesium mule. And the next indication of the magnesium mule is that it is a very effective homeopathic medicine for the babies who bottle fed babies who feed milk, and the patient, the babies who develops the constipation after drinking milk, and or also those baby who develop the diarrhea after drinking milk. In this condition you can use this magnesium mule. So friends, this was some indication of the magnesium mule. Let's talk about the doses and the potency of the medicine. The magnesium mule acts very well in the saturation form, that is it acts very well in a 6x potency, or you can use in a 12x potency, because magnesium mule acts very well in the lower potency. So start with the 6x potency magnesium mule. 6x, 4 tablets thrice in a day. If you are adult, you can take 4 tablets thrice in a day for 1 month, and after 1 month you can switch the magnesium mule in a 30 ch. After 1 month, you can take the magnesium mule 2 drops directly in the tongue thrice in a day for 1 month. Definitely you will get very good result. This medicine can cure your liver affection, like if you have fatty liver, this medicine can cure. And also if you have the liver tenderness, pain at your abdomen, or if you have the indigestion, bloating or nausea like condition, loss of appetite, this medicine can help you a lot. And also if you have the constipation, or if you have the diarrhea, if you have the diarrhea and the constipation alternate, this medicine can help you a lot. Next, let's talk about what are the doses for the children. You can give your children 2 tablets thrice in a day. Magnesium use 6x 2 tablets thrice in a day for 10 to 15 days. After that, you can switch this potency to the 30 ch. 2 drops for 1 to 15 days. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the magnesium mule. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.